you may or may not, based on whatever your attorney says, you may or may not find out that only some of your episodes need a disclaimer. Maybe others don't. Maybe you only need a disclaimer when you say these things. It just depends on your podcast, what genre you're in, and how much protection you're going to have. But should the disclaimer come in the beginning, middle, or end? I am not an attorney, so don't trust me automatically. But I'm going to say that from what I spoke with Crystal and my own attorney, is that it is okay for our two podcasts to have the disclaimer at the end of all episodes. Basically, don't take this as business advice. Your situation might be different, et cetera. So I'm building my disclaimer. It's going to go at the end of our podcast episodes. It's probably going to have the Micro Machine Guy reading it. What I mean by that, for those of you who are too young to know, Micro Machine Guy speaks really, really, really fast. And so he just basically gets out the legal disclaimer super duper fast and doesn't really bother anybody. But I'm probably going to have the Micro Machine Guy read my disclaimer, and it's just going to keep me protected. And I'm going to put it at the end. Now with Crystal, hers is a little bit different because there is a couple of things that she's using a disclaimer for. She has some guests where she really needs it to be clear that it's not medical advice. It's education. So she's going to have some of her episodes. Because we actually also we do a marketing for her podcast. We also do all the post-production.